G'day. I'm here to apologise, brothers and sisters. I'm sorry. The Jedi juice, anybody that knows me and all my friends and that's been to my cast and things knows I'm a hot whirlpooler from way back. And breweries rarely ever do it. And if you have a look at all those recipes, every one of them, just about, there's no chilling for the Whirlpool. There's none. So I've been sitting here today feeling guilty and feeling I've just got to update it, put a recipe up there. Have a look at those recipes. Look over them. They've got bittering from the Whirlpool because it's a hot Whirlpool. One of the more credible ones, probably the ANHC that Kyle posted after. It looks more credible because it's just not written out. And it's got the amounts for a brewery size scale sort of batch. It's the same. They're all the same. Hot Whirlpool. So what I've done is I've just adjusted another recipe. And it's the way I love to brew anyway. Basically, the Riwaka went down to Waraka. People have been saying I've said it wrong, I've said it right. Whichever one, it doesn't matter. What is a name? It doesn't mean anything. Reduce the 60 down to about 5 grams. So you only get about, it's like, I don't know, 2.5 IBUs at 60. And just quickly from memory now, I'm not sitting in front of my computer, it's around 30 to 40 IBUs you get from the two hops you add at the Whirlpool. Now if you look through those recipes, you can pick the older version, you know, with the Simcoes and the, I think it was Simcoe and Citra, with a Mosaic and L dry hop. And then there was others. Anyway, they're all listed on the Cellar Dweller site. I've put them up there now. You might have had a quick look yesterday when I first put the recipes up. And they might have just had links. Now I've sort of listed the 4 different recipes I've got there at the moment. So you can go and have a look and you can make your own mind up. And I'll also put the hot Whirlpool recipe, which is more real. And it's going to be more like the true NIPA. I know the modern NIPA brewers, or home brewers at least, are going to go, no! But it's true. Hot whirlpooling is what mostly happens in breweries. Anyway, that's all I wanted to say. I apologise. Now I feel heaps better about myself. And my friends will talk to me again. Alright, cheers. Friday night.